Greetings, everyone. Welcome to Forex Trainer, your go-to channel for all things Forex. I'm your host, Tani, and today we're delving into the reasons why Forex trading requires such a substantial learning curve. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any upcoming content. Feel free to drop a comment below. Let's get started. Forex trading is not a skill mastered overnight. It's a complex process that requires an understanding of various elements, from the intricacies of the market to technical and psychological aspects. The Forex market is a vast, dynamic landscape. It's a world filled with different currencies, their interrelationships, and an array of factors that influence their value. Traders need to comprehend economic indicators, geopolitical events, and global market trends. Building this extensive knowledge base is a time-consuming endeavor. Then comes the technical side of Forex trading. Reading charts, interpreting technical indicators, and understanding diverse trading strategies is a must. Acquiring these skills, like recognizing chart patterns or candlestick formations, is a long process. Still, it's essential for making informed trading decisions. Risk management is a critical piece of the Forex trading puzzle. Traders need strategies to safeguard their capital and minimize losses. Skills like setting a stop-loss order, calculating position sizes, and managing leverage effectively take time and practice to perfect. The psychological dimension of trading is often overlooked. Emotions like fear, greed, and impatience can cloud judgment. Learning to control these emotions and stick to a trading plan is a continuous process that adds to the time it takes to become a proficient trader. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This requires traders to stay informed about global events and market developments at all hours. Keeping up with news, economic reports, and market sentiment demands constant dedication. Financial markets are ever evolving, influenced by technological advancements, regulatory changes, and shifts in market behavior. Traders need to stay updated, adapt to changes, and continuously refine their strategies. Lastly, hands-on experience is invaluable. Learning from success and failures in a live trading environment helps shape a trader's unique style. But this experience isn't gained overnight. It requires time and patience. In summary, the multifaceted nature of the Forex market, the technical skills involved, the need for effective risk management, the psychological challenges, the constant requirement for staying informed, and the dynamic nature of financial markets contribute to the long learning curve in Forex trading. A comprehensive and holistic approach to learning, coupled with continuous practice and adaptation, is key to mastering Forex trading. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Forex Trainer for more insightful Forex trading tips. Until next time, happy trading!